What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Brown Coat Gang in the building. Y'all already know. Today we moving some cars. We hitting the Lawless and all that. We doing an update on the Cutlass. We doing everything today. I got two of them getting moved. He headed over to Herb house to pick up the Cutlass right now to get it over to Lawless first and get it dropped off. Then and coming back to grab the Monte Carlo, which is why I'm moving all the whips around to get the Monte Carlo out and try to get it turned around, cause I don't know, I'm pretty sure he don't want to load it up backwards. So I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can get it turned around, which I shouldn't have a problem. So yep, let me crank this old Wifey Escalade up, get it moved, and then when they come get this one, we'll slide down to Lawless and see what's going on. So y'all stay tuned. Alright. Whew. So far, got the car right here, but we good to go now. I should have recorded all that. Did all that pushing by myself, man. That's why I said, boy, I'm glad I go in the gym. Y'all see it right here. I pushed it back. I cut the wheel, pushed it back, let it roll forward. And then with the struggle, well, it wasn't too bad, but pushing it up this, cause it's kind of an incline, and I got it right here. Put the block down, stop, put it in park. Now we're gonna let it roll, get it to the side, and we good. We're gonna wait on him to pull up, put the Escalade back up, and we straight. So when he get here, I cut the camera back on. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. A bunch of hours later, I've been running around all over the place. Handling some stuff with the other car, the everyday cars and all that. I gotta get back up to Herb house right quick, man. We noticed on Wifey Escalade, the heater hose assembly, the little plastic piece right there, it's a little crack in it, man. I smelled some antifreeze, and that's where it was. Herb just pressure testing it over there, so I had to drop it off, come get the part and all that. So I gotta run back out there, cause y'all know we be racing against the sun and all that. But then the Monte Carlo would have been over here, but he running behind. He got some more calls. I just got out the phone with him before I cut the camera on. So the Monte Carlo will be over here probably within the next 2 hours. So it'll be over here at Lawless within the next 2 hours. So yep, Cutlass out here. It got dropped out this morning. Still looking clean, man. Still looking clean. It's clean, but it's dirty. It's dirty right now, but it's still clean. We all back together, the whole nine. Like I said, man, we clean, but we dirty. When this thing get washed and all of that, it's so not gonna be nothing and waxed. And then my first time seeing it since Herb done put it back together. But y'all see he got it all back, everything like it's supposed to be. Got it over here at Lawless Streetcars. They gonna run through the valves and set the timing, make sure the timing where it's supposed to be and all that good stuff, and it'll be ready, man. That's all. It just need those two things, timing and the valves adjusted, and it'll be ready to go. It'll be ready to go. So that's what we got going on with the Cutlass. Had to put on camera, man, give y'all a look. Boy, that thing there is, boy, that thing beautiful. Beautiful. So we over here, man. We back. We'll be back this week. I'm gonna bring the mufflers over here too, get the mufflers changed out, cause we got to get these bad boy got to come up off here. The tailpipe. Ain't doing no tailpipe gang over here. So we're gonna cut them off. shorten them up. You ain't gonna be able to see no exhaust. Turn down right there. Boom. We're gonna be good to go. So yeah, when the Monte Carlo come by here, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch the Monte Carlo by the time it come over here and all of that, cause I don't know what I got going on. Like I said, I gotta go back up the herb house and get wife car straightened out. Got to get wife car straightened out. Just simple. But I gotta run that part up here. He'll knock that out quick. Take it back to the house. It's a lot of running around. So had to let y'all see the Cutlass, man. Put it on camera, put y'all up to date with everything. And I'm gonna have to holler at y'all when we get to the house. But for now, we're finna run over her house. I'll show y'all what we got going on right there. So y'all just stay tuned. Look, y'all, look. Little Mr. Ford, man. Let's see what he gonna do. Let's see what he gonna do in that big truck. Look at it. Look, look, look. Oh! Big Ford burnt the little tire. All right, then. He left a little tire smoke. We forget old her house, man. All right, y'all. So I told y'all we just left Lawless checking on the Cutlass, and we back over here at Herd. Said Wifey car, and that thing was squirting out right there. The heater hose or whatever. So got the whole assembly and all of that. So,
No, that's alright. It ain't that.
I say, hey, look, hey, Hurry, make me stop, man.
No, it's just I gotta take that damn quick connect.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Back there off.
Oh yeah.
And I hope like hell we don't break that damn T back there.
Oh yeah, more definitely.
Yeah.
So yeah,
All it is
y'all hit Herb up, number on the screen. I put it on in the other video too. Like I said, man, he get down. He get down. Y'all saw that Cutlass back together. The Cutlass, Jesse said, well, I hollered at y'all at the house about the Cutlass, but the Cutlass be back this week, so we'll be in it this week and all that. Then you know we gotta test that rear end out. Got to do that. Got to do that, man. Some of that Frank Jackson work, hustle hard performance. So when we get back, I'll holler at y'all about that. All right, y'all, we just pulled up. Herb drove the Denali back, finna take him back, and they just picked up the Monte Carlo. So y'all see, it's headed down to Lawless too. They're gonna get there on time, so mission completed. We got both of them. We got both of them down there today. And let me cut these lights off. Herb knocked this out quick, so Wifey back ready to go. So the night all good, man. We finna head back to his house, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I came back to the house right quick to get this oil change stuff. Take it over here to Jesse. And the mufflers right quick since the Monte Carlo went down there. And like I was saying, Jesse said he might start on tomorrow. So instead of me trying to hurry up over there early in the morning, I just go ahead and take it now cause he's still open. I'm gonna take this for right now. Then I'll take that pipe later after he looked at everything and see what he can do. So we finna run this down now and I'll come back and holler at y'all. Alright, y'all, we checking back at the house from Lawless. Ran that oil up there right quick and the mufflers. Jesse said he gonna be able to get the mufflers in there too. Said he should be able to. So he should have time, man. Been a busy day. It been a busy day. I ain't even get a chance to pull the camera out like I was planning on pulling it out. Cause it was just so much running around. And it was stuff I had forgot I had to do. Cause like I said, we had to get this fixed right here. Cause what we was doing? When I went and bought the drone, man. I gotta show y'all the drone too. But when we had went and bought the drone, man, we pulled over, got something to eat. I had smelled antifreeze, and I was like, man, I got out. It was water skiing and stuff, and I was thinking it was coming from the lower radiator hose, the one that go into the thermostat housing. And that wasn't where it was at. It was just that hose, that heater hose assembly that was squirting everywhere. And matter of fact, I got it in here. Let me show y'all. So y'all might need to change it. It's a whole, it might happen to one of y'all, or probably done happen. But it's a whole assembly. But it was a quick fix. I mean, I had told wife, I was like, man, it ain't nothing major. I had told her it ain't nothing major anyway. So, but this right here, this is what was wrong. It was skiing out from right there. And see, that goes to the reservoir. It mounts like this. That goes to the overflow or the reservoir. And this goes to the heater hose. This is just the heater hose. But it was on, and this go into the water pump. But man, it was cracked. Right there, the whole crack, it was just squirting, boy, just squirting up. So we had to get that changed. But all in all, I got everything done what I planned on getting done, which was get the Cutlass to Lawless Streetcars and get the Monte Carlo to Lawless Streetcars. And like y'all saw right when me and her were pulling up to drop the Escalade off, he was grabbing the Monte Carlo, and the Monte Carlo over there, everything ready. So now it just let Jesse and the crew do their thing. So that's what's about to go on now. And the Cutlass, I should get the Cutlass back this week. Should get it back this week, cause Jesse said he probably gonna try to start on tomorrow, running through valves and checking timing. That's simple. I mean, that's simple for him or whatever. That don't take long. Probably an hour and a half. He said, make sure everything's straight. So let me think. That and the mufflers. He got to change the oil. So I thought about it. I said he gonna change the oil. It's gonna be on the lift anyway. Go ahead and bring the mufflers down there. And I don't want to hold them up, cause they'll get on in the morning, quick turnaround, and boom. Wifey car probably simple too. It probably gonna be simple for them. Said tracing what's going on with the wires and just getting that straight, so you can crank it up, peace of mind, boom, boom, all that. And then we'll take that other exhaust over there, and I see if he can make it work. If he can't, it is what it is. We just gotta do what it do. But the Camaro should be coming back out this weekend. I ought to be bringing John Jones back out this weekend. Cause I got some stuff planned. I'm finna try to set some stuff up too with John Jones. We might be hitting the track too. We might catch us track day. Cause here in Georgia, we race all year round. We race all year round cause we catch some warm days. Like today was pretty warm. It was 57. Pretty straight. It's supposed to be winter, but it was 57. So that was a good day and all of that. And man, oh yeah, that last vlog, I looked at that GoPro Hero 9 footage. That camera the truth. So we're gonna be using that GoPro a lot. We're gonna start using the drone too, man. I'm gonna be getting more cinematic for y'all, show y'all how I can really get down, cause I really do know how to edit. I've been doing it too many years. I know how to get down. I just don't. But yeah. So Cutlass gonna be back home. Monte Carlo be back home. And after I get them, then y'all know me. I'm gonna be ready to get on something else, man. I have to stay rolling. But we got this engine on the way. For Dolo, it's on the way, like I said, man. I should get it this month. It should be done this month, or should I say? I said get it. It should be done this month. Then I'm gonna pick that thing up, boom, boom, put it in, and we're gonna be ready. The plan is to have all my cars running by March. All of them, wifey car, everybody. Wifey cars and my 4 running, which is just these 2. Meats I ain't too much worried about because it is really the cheapest out of the bunch. The cheapest, and it ain't gonna take that much time to do meat, so But yeah, that's it, man. A little short video. Like I said, it wasn't that much going on today, but tomorrow we got planned tomorrow. I can't remember what we got planned tomorrow. I got something planned tomorrow anyway. Y'all just come back, man. I appreciate everybody that tune in every day. Show love in the comments, all that, and especially y'all that hit that like button before you even watch this. That's 100. So yeah, man, that's it. I'm finna go in the house cause it done got cold and all of that, and I'll catch y'all back tomorrow. I'm out.